Welcome to Stogie TV, the show that features the world of cigars. I'm your host, Kennedy, but look behind me. We got the mariachi band coming in here to this grand opening at Cigar Cigars in North Miami Beach. This place is off the chain, and we're gonna have a great time in this episode. And the featured cigar, the baddest cigar on the market that just came out, that's causing waves across the border, Inky, the Inky cigar brand. Look at this. Grab your lighters, grab your Inkies, and let's smoke. Welcome to StogieTV.com. I'm your host, Kennedy, and we're going to be filming this episode from one of the hottest cigar lounges in South Florida. Stay tuned. Here we are enjoying ourselves at Cigar Cigars in North Miami Beach, but we have to meet the owner who brought all this enjoyment to the city, Mr. Miguel himself. Mr. Miguel, thank you.
Thank you very much for coming. We appreciate it. But I also have a partner, Leo. He's back there running that
Leo's running this massive operation right now, which is great. Wanted to ask you, why here? Why North Miami Beach?
Well, we've been here actually 13 years.
13 years.
And our client base wouldn't fit in our small store, and we finally, made the move to a bigger place.
That is amazing. Your clientele has supported you over the years.
Over the years.
And it's like giving your clients a gift. You're giving them a gift of a bigger, better approach and venue to the world of cigars.
Absolutely, and I think what it has to do a lot with the relationship with the customer. This is not just a store. It's a place to actually come in and forget about anything that's out there. This is like a neutral corner where everyone comes here to laugh, smile, and enjoy.
Relax, you come in and enjoy yourself.
Yes.
And I'm loving it. This is, as I mentioned before in all the other episodes, the Cigar Lounge is where we come to friendship, to network, to enjoy ourselves.
Absolutely.
Man, Miguel, I know you got to go run this beautiful operation.
I just got to say something. I have a brand myself.
You have a brand? Yes. Talk to us. Yes.
Victor Calvo cigars. I don't know if you've ever seen it in a lot of the shops.
I've seen it inside of the humidor. I've seen it in many places. Absolutely.
So, my love for cigars is not just the retail end. It's from growing tobacco in Nicaragua, Esteli, to putting it out there and making it happen. So,
Victor Calvo Cigars.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Miguel, thank you. And the world of cigars, we thank you.
All right, I appreciate it.
Cigar Cigars, the owner himself, Miguel.
Thank you.
As always here on Stogie TV, when we feature a cigar shop or we feature a cigar lounge, we always like to feature a particular cigar. But more importantly, I like to showcase who the manufacturer is and the owner, so you can actually put a face to it, and that's extremely valuable to us as cigar consumers. So I'd like to introduce to you Mr. Carrillo, the CEO and founder of Inky Cigars.
The one and only.
The one and only. The one and only Carrillo. Man, Carrillo, everyone is enjoying your cigar. As always, every single person here has your cigar in their hand and is living the life right now. We thank you for that. We really do. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I also want to thank Cigar Cigars.
Cigar Cigars, absolutely.
Featuring Inky Cigars in the grand opening. It's a great opportunity for me.
Sure.
I mean, good turnout, a lot of people. We have mariachis, people playing dominoes.
Yeah, that mariachi dancing. Was nice, right? That live band was crazy.
Fantastic, right?
I tried to dance with them. Man, about this cigar that we're smoking. People want to get their hands on it instantaneously before they all run out off the shelves. What do you have in your hand here? Is that the Habano blend?
What I'm smoking is the Robusto Habano.
That's the Robusto Habano.
And you're smoking the Enki Connecticut Toro.
The Enki Connecticut Toro. Got it.
It is the same blend,
right?
Just different wrappers. Just when you smoke the Connecticut, it's a little milder because of the wrapper.
Gotcha. We're having a good time with it. I'm going to light up again. Somebody get my lighter. Where's my lighter?
She has it right there.
You know, at the cigar shop, you always need a lighter. Always have a lighter handy.
And it's good because you have it as a keychain.
Oh yeah, very smart. If you have a lighter, put it on your keychain and enjoy yourself. So once again, we like to bring you the owners. Let me see this box here. Look at this. Look at this beautiful box. Look at that. Get to your local retailer, get the cigar in your hand right now before it gets off the shelf, because there's no more here in this store. This is the last box, and I may take it with me. Mr. Cadell, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And we're going to definitely see you at the IPCPR. We better see you there. We'd like to thank Cigar Cigars, and let's get back to this party.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Good time.
Might as well sing along when it comes to Cigar Cigars, because it's always going to be a blast when you come here. You never know what to expect. We got the mariachi band. We got people from all over. It's Cigar Cigars. Look at this. And that's Cigar Cigars. When we come back, we're going to have more with this episode.
Heartbreaking to ruin all this work in a great cigar by not having it properly kept in the perfect humidity and perfect conditions. Making cigars is more than my life. It's something that you live, breathe, sleep, dream. It's the history that runs through my veins. It's important that you have the correct humidity, because humidity has a big influence on taste. There's certain age rooms for certain cigars. They're all different. They're all designed differently and have different humidity depending on the wrappers and the blends of the cigars. And too much humidity is as bad as a cigar being too dry. It has to be perfect. Where cigar really comes together is during the marriage of the different leaves, and it's during the aging process. If it's not the right humidity, the right temperature for aging, all your work has been lost. And now with Humidipack in every single box, we're guaranteed that each cigar will reach your home under proper conditions, just as they leave our aging rooms. I can't imagine producing a great cigar without using Movida products through the process and Humidipack inside our cigar boxes. It's an amazing product. I don't know anything like it. Not only that, it maintains constant humidity. Where there's situations where humidity may raise, it will also remove the humidity. It's something that works. It's very simple, and I use it myself.
Welcome back to Stogie TV, the show that features the world of cigars. Listen, don't forget you can follow all of our episodes on Instagram, Facebook, all the social media platforms at Stogie TV. We're back on set here at Cigar Cigars, located in North Miami Beach, Florida. We're having a good time. We're featuring the cigar Inky. We're going to interview the owner. This place has so much to offer. Let's see what else this place has. again, bringing you the best of the best in the world of cigars. We have the man, George Molina, with us. Thank you so much, man, for your gift. Look at the gift that he gave us. Look at this. Look at this. Real man smoke cigars. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to wear out. This is what you wear to a cigar lounge. George, talk to us about your success with the shirts. Talk to us. Everyone is wearing this.
So it's been over 6 years when I started Real Men Smoke Cigars. It started as an idea of a bumper sticker just to kind of make a bold statement, and it turned into a clothing line. And then 6 months later, I started Real Women Love Cigars, which is on the B side. So you see that tag. On the B side, you got Real Women Love Cigars as well.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
And it's a full clothing line for
everyone. I mean,
all the gents.
Even Cadell, you got yours. Cadell got yours. He's wearing his Guavera tonight for his brand, obviously.
What's going on, brother? Good to meet you.
Man, he's the one who made our shirts.
Oh, for real?
He's the one who made the Real Men Smoke Cigar shirt. And I also got the bumper sticker as well.
Hey, I love this shirt, man.
And we're having a great time, as always.
This is your brand?
Yeah.
You meet the man,
this
and you're meeting the man.
exclusive. Look at it. Hold on one second.
Stogie TV gets all the exclusives, but most importantly, we bring you the exclusives, the owner themselves, and for all the people out there who want to get a shirt like this, Real Men Smoke Cigars, where can they get it from?
RealMenSmokeCigars.com. I do shirts for not only cigar enthusiasts, but cigar shops, cigar manufacturers. If you own a cigar club, we do those shirts too. For example, this is Cigar Dojo.
Big shout out to Cigar Dojo. All right, yeah, I got the app.
This one,
Cigar Ninjas.
and they've got 20 or 30 different clubs. When you go to my website, you do a pull down menu to your particular club.
Wow.
And I have 5 different styles of shirts. So this is the Premier Plus line. I have Premier, Classic, Sport Polo, and the two-tone Retro. So whatever kind of shirt you want, whatever kind of size, brother, I got it hooked up from small to 6X. I can fit anybody into a cigar shirt because we know our cigar guys are big boys.
Hey, you big boys out there. You know, hey, big shout out to Al. He's gonna kill me once he sees this. Big Al, I love you, brother. Hey, it's all out of love. But definitely look at the bottom of the screen, RealMenSmokeCigars.com, and you can order your shirts immediately. You can contact you.
They're all special made to order, so whatever it is that you're ordering, it's going to be specifically tailor made for you.
And they can follow you on social media.
Absolutely. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter.
Social media, Twitter, Instagram.
I do have Instagram, but it's on my personal.
I'm trying to figure out all that stuff too. Don't worry about it.
It's too much. I can't do it all.
It is.
Between the clothing line and the cigar lines,
it's overwhelming at times.
It is. It's a lot to do, but we're here to celebrate this grand reopening.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
For Cigar Cigar, I've been great friends with them for many years from the old shop. Done tons of events for firefighters and for law enforcement at the other shop, and just so happy with them. I spent 2 days with them, humping with them to help them out because I feel so blessed. I feel so happy for them that they got this wonderful gig.
Man, congratulations, Leo. Congratulations, Miguel. All of you, congratulations. And this is what Stogie TV brings you: the real, uncut, raw situation. Get your shirts right now. Once again, it was at the bottom of the screen. It's going to scroll across right now, and there it goes. Get it now. Real Men Smoke Cigars and Inky Cigars, and you got your brand here as well. What do we have?
We got the badge cigar. This one's called the Commissioner. It's a Brazilian Maduro.
Hey, big shout out to all the first responders.
Absolutely.
Without you guys,
they keep us safe.
Absolutely. You guys keep it safe. So come to the cigar shop so we can show you the appreciation. We got people coming into the humidor, so we need to get out of here. We're going to go back to the lounge and have some good times. Smoke well.
Later.
Once again, we bring you all the action. We're here inside the humidor with the baddest boys in the market right now, and we're just having a good time, man. Hey, but big shout out to you, brother.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Man, for doing what you're doing.
We're having a blast.
Man, we're having a great time, man.
Great time.
First of all, I want to congratulate Leo and Miguel. Cigar. I've been knowing Leo like 20 years. I've been knowing Miguel like 30 years.
Absolutely.
Wow. So we're here having a great time, and we're going to continue to have a great time. This greatest soft opening ever.
Absolutely.
Congratulations, brother.
Leo.
I appreciate you.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
man.
this is the soft opening. Can you imagine the grand
Absolutely.
opening? The grand opening?
And you see what we're smoking?
Inky. All day long, baby. All day.
Great cigar.
I did my service.
Did you do it?
My public service.
I didn't know you guys.
And that's what we do here at Stogie TV. We're having a great time. Let's get back to this shop. As always on Stogie TV, we're bringing you the best of the best, things that you've never seen before. And one of the major components of the tobacco world are pipes. Right here at Cigar Cigars, we have the pipe man himself, Keith. Keith, welcome to the show. Talk to me. What do we have here? As always, you're coming hard, baby.
You know, hey, this is the way we do, man. You know, the pipe smokers and the cigar smokers kind of like differ for a little bit, but you know, it's all in good. It's all in good love of the smoke. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely. I know you got
I
the
came out to
outfit down.
support you, baby. I see what you're doing. I see you online. Remember to follow him at Stogie TV all over the place. You know, he's blowing up. I love it, baby.
I really appreciate it. As the pipe man, you bring a uniqueness to the situation. When do you smoke your pipe? Do you smoke it in the morning, every day, afternoon?
No. See, that's the thing about pipe smokers. We do things in moderation.
All right.
The one word that separates pipe smokers from cigar smokers is patience.
Patience.
We take our time. You know, everything you do with a cigar.
That's old school.
Everything you do with a cigar is quick, man. You light it quick. You gotta have a torch. Nah, we light ours with, you know, matches.
That's what I'm talking about.
We sit back, we relax, we do our thing, and we chill. You know, that's just the way we do.
Well, I'll tell you what, pipes are unique in their own fashion, and I see you have a very unique pipe. Where'd you get this pipe from?
Well, you wanna know something that's funny? A lot of stuff I do is vintage. Take this hat, for instance. This hat was owned by an aristocrat in Palm Beach. He recently passed away. His family bequeathed it. And this hat itself is about 80 years old.
80 years old.
The
Man.
company that made it in New York has gone out of business since 1975.
Wow.
I do my research.
Now that is vintage.
So
80
this
years old.
this
Wow.
pipe I picked up at a consignment store, actually. And it's a two-piece pipe, as you can see.
A two-piece pipe.
Yeah, it breaks
So it actually
down.
separates.
Yeah, so I can just take it wherever I need to take it, you know, because you never know. Yeah.
Now, do you find pipes more enjoyable than cigars, or you keep it as a comparison, or you say it's the same?
Well, let's say this. Cigars get the ladies.
Cigars get the ladies.
Pipes get the ladies in bed. That's the difference.
And that's the pipe man. And we'll have more with Stogie TV. Now we're with the customers here at Cigar Cigars, which is the most important factor of any cigar lounge, because without the customer, you wouldn't have a lounge. And it's always important to hear the voice from those people who are actually literally paying the bills, but most importantly, enjoying the smoke. So let's hear what the people have to say about Cigar Cigars. I mean, you've been coming here for how long?
I've been coming here for 13 years.
Wow, 13 years. Talk about your experience, your loyalty, your just overall. What do you think about the whole company in itself?
Well, I think Cigar Cigar has been a kind of a family cigar store. Now that they've expanded, they've got a nice place. I hope that they attract a different crowd, which is a lot of smokers, a lot of drinkers, and a lot of people that enjoy cigars.
Absolutely, because that's what it's all about. And this is such a beautiful thing to see them expand from where they were to where they are now. And you can't be more happy for them. But most importantly, they're happy for us. They're happy for the cigar smoke. They're happy that we're here every day purchasing cigars, keeping their business, keeping them in business, and we have a place to go after work. We have a place to go when we want to be relaxed. We have a place to go when we don't want to be stressed. The cigar lounge is everything to us, and Cigar Cigars has provided us even a bigger and better platform, and I'm sure as customers you appreciate that.
Exactly.
What do you think?
Okay, I came here, I'm an 8-year member, okay?
8 years.
And
8 years, strong supporter of Cigar Cigars, 8 years.
Okay, and Leo is not just a cigar store, he educates you, okay? He won't sell you nothing that you don't need, but he's gonna train you, educate you, and you be a long-time customer, okay? Fun place, move from the little place, you got in this big old place, and come on down and support this place because, like I said, this is a good experience, okay?
So you get education as well when you come here, not just someone telling you, hey, buy this cigar and you're done.
That's correct.
the owners talk to you. They want to know how you're doing, how's your day, and what kind of cigar you smoke. They're just not going to give you any particular cigar to smoke. And I mean, look at this. We're all smoking the Inky cigar, which is the featured cigar of the night. But we all have different ones because we were all educated on which one works for us.
That's correct.
And that's what cigar lounges are all about. And we thank you, Cigar Cigars, and we all wish you continued success in the tobacco industry. Salute to you. Now bring the women. We've come to the end of the episode, which is the worst part of the damn show. I never want to end. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to end. I'm going to continue smoking this Inky cigar inside when this show is over. We like to thank Cigar Cigars for allowing Stogie TV into their humidor and having a great time. We had the Inky Cigars. We had the Pipe Man himself come here and represent. You're going to see more of the Pipe Man. And that's what I'm talking about. And that's what Stogie TV is all about. We bring you the realest of the real, and it's all fun. Forget that scripted crap. That's not what we do at Stogie TV. We bring you tobacco, we bring you cigars, and we bring you the best of the best. Inky Cigars, thank you. The owners, thank you. North Miami Beach, we thank you. And the regulars, the people who come here to enjoy themselves after a stressful, long-ass day, you get to come to Cigar Cigars. And if you're in the North Miami Beach area, come to Cigar Cigars and enjoy the atmosphere like we all are. With that being said, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Stogie TV. Until next time, smoke well. A cigar shop near you.
Smoke well, baby.
All the boys are here, man. We're having a great good time, man. Take your ass home.